Chris, how many receptions am I gonna get?
4, 40 yards,
How
maybe.
many touchdowns?
4 receptions
0.
for 40 yards?
You're getting,
Hold on, you said 4 receptions for 40 yards?
yeah. So 10 yards for each reception.
I'm so dead.
It's all about me.
With 0 touchdowns, okay?
Leslie, now-
I'm gonna be your nightmare. Your living nightmare. Like, I'm gonna go Tyrann Matthew on you, like, seriously.
Monday would be the death.
Oh, you're done.
What's good, Ralph?
I'll stay out here.
What's good, Katina? What's good, Fernard? Woo. Yeah, Gyla. Yeah, Vlad. Yeah, Vlad.
Yeah!
I might.
This is Facebook Live?
No, it's not.
Oh, shoot. Hey, hello, all my friends out there. Como vocês aqui? I'm sorting that Jacques, man. Payez-moi ici, moi. Les États-Unis bound.
I'm so dead.
Excited to be here tonight.
What, you vlogging?
Huh?
You vlogging?
I'm like, yeah, Mitch.
No, yo, you should.
Yeah, girls.
Put like some.
Sponsored by Heinz Ketchup.
Oh, man. Look how hype she is, though.
I really thought it was gonna rain right now.
Look at them glare in the glasses are real, yo. So dead.
Où est-ce que le finir?
Non. C'est quoi? J'ai messé au. C'est quoi?
So dead.
On va jouer. Pourquoi on joue bien domino?
I'm so dead.
What you after là?
How focused is though.
On joue. Passe.
Pas parler de tête.
Yo dois jouer là debout commencer c'est fini.
On pose tête tout.
Faut poser. Tu pas poser comme ça, il y a pas double tour.
Relax.
Essa minha bio male.
Não kita meter. Oh, passa game.
Relax.
Non.
Social media. Relax. You see? Regardez, Bamba et moi, il descend bien. Mais c'est bien. Toi devant. Relax. Oui, oh. Regarde-le à vous. Je vais pas vous le vidéo. Tu vas prier avant de vivre. Non. Je vais pas voir le jeu. Je vais pas dire que je vais pas le prier. Oui.
So dead.
Justin, where is somewhere? Prestigieux. Prestige.
So what that mean?
You know what that means?
What's in
Prestige.
the bag? What's in the bag?
A bomb from Ben Laden. What is in the bag? What is in the bag? A bomb.
A bomb from
That's
Bin Laden.
it. Simple is that. It cannot be nothing. It's a bomb. You want to have some bomb? Oh, not me.
Right?
Donnie's living room.
Donnie, stay vlogging.
Huh?
She's putting you online.
What's that communion?
Real. How you feel, Zeke? Yeah.
I mean, this time
the first one. You know, Papa about to buy one.
Who's doing that?
Oh, the poppers.
Oh, he's doing firecrackers.
First of all, get lit for real.
Stupid, yo.
But not be like, nah, stop with the flowers.
with Haiti.
Yeah, right? That's crazy.
Where's Doc worried about his flowers?
I think it's poppers or
Oh, what's up, Genie? Genie in the house.
What you mean? Exactly what it sounds like. But then, what are you doing? Dang it.
I don't know.
Wait, they don't.
What you doing, girl? What you doing, girl? Super Bowl's on? Sorry, no.
I didn't say that. I didn't say that.
They told me Jordan couldn't lock down Robert.
First of all,
Nobody can.
So why'd you make him Kobe?
I was just saying, can Kobe do it?
Bro, we never even said that.
Alright, so it doesn't matter then. I don't care.
What?
Because we was talking about Jordan versus Kobe, and then y'all started talking about Lofton versus
I was proving a point. I was proving a point, Jordan. I'll make it seem like Jordan got the most lockdown D's in the history of the game.
I'm way!
Hey, yo, Donnie, look at me. OKC trash, right?
It's game, man. Game.
Trash. OKC trash.
I'm way!
They making
Game,
Golden
man.
State look better, man. I'm telling you.
This nigga sick. This nigga sick. Light skin's taking over.
Yo, put the camera on me. You they can't see me. Yo, man.
I can't even see
OKC trash, man.
Can't even see anything, yo.
OKC trash, yo.
Watch that, yo.
Yo, I wouldn't even dap nobody.